Hello and welcome to the library training video series. For this particular video, we'll be talking about how to search for an artist and their artwork through the library resources in general. And so to start with, for this example, we're going to be using the artist Andreas Gursky. So you'd want to start trying to raise your general knowledge. So you probably already know this, but in case you're not sure of it, go ahead and plug that name into any of the search engines you typically use. I did a Google search for him, and what this tells us is what medium they would work in, some details of their life, where they might be working, as well as it might give us some idea of like particularly notable works. So for the example, for this, Andreas Gursky is a German photographer. Um, it's known for large format architecture and landscape color photographs. We see those here. There's his portrait. Gives is that he was born in 1955 and he's still alive. Shows again some of those notable works. So like Ryan 2, we could click on that and get more information. We also see that he has his own web page. And if we click into that, it would give us lots of resources like many of his different artworks, his exhibition list, his works, as well as his publications, bibliography. And then he does also offer downloads through his web page, which are interviews and press release. All of those could be helpful for us in finding more information about him. So for the library resources specifically, if we go to libguides.juniata.edu, right here on the main page in the middle there's the Eagle search. We can go ahead and start that search. And if this is the first time you're searching from home, you will probably have to log in through Open Athens. I've already done that, so this is my results page. So just by doing his name as a basic keyword, we see lots of useful things coming up already, and it shows us that they're coming out of which database they're coming out of. So these, of the first 4 results here, 3 of them are coming out of Art and Architecture Complete. So after I've looked through these, if I want to find more useful things, I might go directly into that web resource. But we're looking through and seeing things: Journal of Aesthetics and Art Criticism, Art Journal again, Architectural Review. So all of these are coming from resources where we'd expect them to. And other things as we look through, like Burlington Magazine, Art and Auction, Modern Painters. As we're going through, we might find something like this where Aperture, that might be one that I just looked to as an example. So that's coming from JSTOR Journals. And if we open that up, it will send us into JSTOR. And Aperture is a photography-specific journal. So knowing Andreas Gursky is a photographer, this should be right in line with what we'd hope to find. And what I want to show you very quickly here is, so there's the article that was cited. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly copy that name over, and up at the top in JSTOR from that dropdown where it says all content, I can toggle that to be in this journal. Yeah, sorry, I've got this issue, but you can put to in this journal, and then we can go ahead and search, and that's going to give us all the results for Andreas Gursky within Aperture, which can be very helpful. So if we like those or find something we really want to use, we can download it, or there's this Cite This Item, and it will give us a working citation for that particular article, as well as the URL, so we can always get back to it. As you keep working through a project like this or any other, and you have a question or an issue finding a resource, remember you can chat with us from the LibGuides page, or if you go to that Contact a Librarian button at the bottom there, it shows the librarians at Beakley Library and gives you the contact information and how to get in touch with us. So good luck with your research.